Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a reflection video edit on CapCut PC. So it's more like for the shadow really of the person. So I'm just going to add this as a background, and I'm going to go select my video. I'm going to use this one, and then I'm also going to adjust the background. And I'm going to choose 9 by 16 for this, and I'm going to make the background like bigger. Then I'm going to select cutout, and then I'm going to select auto cutout for the video, and I'm going to copy and paste that. And then for the first video I'm just going to leave it there, and for the second one I'm going to go to basic, and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees, and I'm going to put it like down here. And I'm also going to select mirror, and I'm going to kind of adjust it with his feet a little bit. Sometimes it's going to kind of mesh a bit, especially if the movements are like bigger, like this part. But you can definitely move it using keyframes. Like here, I want to add a keyframe there, and then like in this part I'm going to move it downwards a little bit so it doesn't like mesh with the other, like this part right here, it doesn't mesh with the leg. I'm going to move it down, and here too I'm going to move it down, and then you can kind of move it in again with the others. And also here I'm going to move it down again, so whenever the feet clashes with each other like the shadow, you're going to want to move it down. And you're just going to keep on doing that until you're done. I'm not going to do it for the whole video because it's going to take me ages to finish. So also make sure you select the video and kind of adjust the opacity of the reflection a little bit. But yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!